LAN cable tester basic usage. Wiremap quickly displays LAN cable wiring just by single press of the key. Backlight turns on when getting the tester started. Connect the LAN cable to the tester and remote unit. Press the test key. Pass appears when the wiring has been correctly done. When incorrect wiring is detected, both the warning symbol and the wrong connection points blink on the LCD. Connect the cable to the tester and a remote unit, and then press the test key. Wrong connections blink on the LCD. Cable 1 and 2 are opens. Cable 7 and 8 are reversed. Indication for shorts. Wiring errors such as split pairs are never overlooked. Cable length measurement. Max measurable length is 255 meters. Connect a cable to the tester for length check. Press the L/W key. Pressing the cursor key can switch the pair of cables to measure the length. Press the test key. The LCD shows the measured result as approximate 5 meters. Cable detection. Possible to identify the target cable among multiple cables. Let's try to locate the connected point of the LAN cable in the crowded hub. Disconnect the LAN cable from PC and connect to the tester. Disconnect the LAN cable from the hub and connect to the remote unit. Using optional remote units makes it possible to test up to 8 different cables. Press the test key. ID number of the connected remote unit is displayed on the LCD. In this case, ID number 2 is the connected cable.